Alright, what we got here is the Ingenuity helicopter, part of the Perseverance lander on Mars. Download this thing from the NASA's webpage and messed with it with Blender 2.92 and added a script to it. And at the bottom of it, you can see there's a camera down there, the composite fiber blades, solar panel. If you click on it, you get a menu and you can make it spin. And you can also get a README, which is a really short documentation that explains about it. And then you also get a link to a web page at NASA. Thanks for looking at it, and we'll see you down the road. Bye.